Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Scotty with Evil Castrigal. We're actually inside today because we're doing a little bit of a different bicycle part video unboxing. I ordered a really, what seemed like a crazy deal set. It's a Deore 12-speed full derailleur, Deore 12-speed shifter, and it's got a Sunrace cassette in a chain from eBay. Yes, it came from China. $105, free shipping. It took about a week to get here, but we're going to unbox it and we'll just look at what this thing actually, what you get. Seemed like a crazy price I couldn't pass up. So we're going to be putting this on the steel Marin hardtail. So we'll do an install video and all that, but I just want to do kind of an unboxing so you can kind of see what you can get. I know I see a lot of these parts on eBay, and there's not a lot of info out there on what you're actually getting, but crazy price. So let's unbox it and check it out. All right, so here's the bag. Again, I ordered this, I guess it's been a week, so it actually got here really quick from China. I was impressed with that. Packaged. Yeah, when I saw this package, I knew it came from China. I've already cut it open. It's got an interesting scent, which all the Chinese parts do tend to have. But let's get everything out of the package, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. All right, and $105, so awesome deal. Okay, so here's everything out of the bag. You can see this is a brand new Shimano Deore clutch 12-speed derailleur. I've already tested it out. The clutch seems like it works good. It's brand new. Yeah, I mean, you can't really beat that. The only option they had was the 12-speed Deore with the window, which usually I don't care about a window, but we've got a window. Came with an HG chain, Shimano M61000 or 6100, M6100. Yeah, no box it says, but it is an HG, so sweet. And we got this, I said sun race, it's not a sun race, it is a sunshine. But with the old bike that this is going on, it has an HG driver. They did have, you could get the micro spline option with this for, I think it was like an extra $10. But for the HG, this was like $106 on eBay for basically what you see here. I'm going to use the old crank, so I'm not worried about that. I think for like another $20, you could have got I don't hold me to this, maybe been like 40, but a crank also. So killer deal. I'll put a link in the video here for this, but I'm impressed. I'm excited to get it on the bike. This is just kind of an unboxing, what you get when you order it on eBay. If you've been looking and you had questions, yeah, here it is. 12-speed drivetrain for $105. So anyway, kind of a weird video, I guess, but I don't usually do unboxings, but it was such a killer deal. I was so curious. I'm always curious when I order anything from eBay like that's coming from China. So maybe you're interested too. I don't know. Yeah. Whatever. Stay tuned. We're going to be taking that sweet steel Marin that I bought apart and putting all of this cool stuff on it in coming up videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, all that jazz. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this if you've been looking at the same parts on eBay, and I'll see you later.